Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of my English speaking challenge. First of all, thank you for watching my day 3 of English speaking. In that video, I was not so much confident, but I try my best. In this video, I am going to talk about my daily routine, when I wake up and what is my daily plans. So I usually wake up at 5:30 in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and get fresh up. After that, I drink one glass of hot water. Then I go to ground for running and exercise. There I run for 1 hour and do exercise like yoga, meditation, and everything. Then I return back to my room. I clean my room and I go to take a shower. After that, I get ready for my day. I take breakfast at 7:30 in the morning every day. After completing my breakfast, I get ready for my day and practice some difficult subject like mathematics and physics, and I do a difficult questions regarding it, and I love to solve mathematics and physics. At 9 o'clock I go to class every day. There I study a lot of new things from teachers, friends, and I feel happy when I come to class every day. At 12:30 I take my lunch. After completing my lunch, I return back to my class and once again I learn with full energy. At 4:30 I return back to my room, and at from 4:30 to 6 o'clock there is a rules and regulations by the hostels of warden and PT. You have to go to the playground to play outdoor games, and if someone is found found in the room, then there is a punishment that is given by the PT sir and warden sir. And you know, from 4:30 and to 6:30, I think this is a good routine, because I think physical exercise is very important in your life. If you want to become a good man, a successful person, a disciplined person, then you have to be strong with your physical and by your mentality. So after 6 o'clock I take my tea and snacks, and from 6:30 to 7:30 I use my mobile phones and I watch English based video, because I want to learn English. So I am trying my best by learning some vocabulary, by learning some phrases, by learning some words, by learning some pronunciation. And you know, today I come to class, then one teacher, today is my electrical examination, and there is a teacher of electrical, says I speak Sesunaga. He told me that you are not good in English and your English is not good, so please try to correct it. I told to him that, sir, I am from Bihar and my main language of Bihar is not English, it is Hindi, and education system is also not good. But I am trying right now, I am learning right now, and I am practicing in front of camera, in front of mirror, and this is true that I practice 30 minutes English in front of mirror daily. I read one book, no matters which book is that, but I try to learn it. At 7:30 I take my dinner, then at from 8:30 to 10:30 I used to revise my subject what I learn in the daytime. At 10 o'clock I used to make my daily routine for upcoming day because it helps me to keep discipline and organized and systematic, and I love to be a disciplined and to be a organized person because in this college they gives a education about 5S. 5S means it is a step-by-step approach by workplace environment and workplace management. So I try to learn the 5S means value for place, value for time, value for your society, stick to discipline. These are all the topics that is come under 5S. So I try to, but and you know my mentor is my mentor name is Ranganaikul sir, and he is one of the best teacher, one of the best disciplined person. He is an engineer and he has an experience of 35 years in the company. And when I asked to him that what is the secrets of be disciplined and be a good health like you, then he told me just follow the rules every day. Don't try to skip rules and regulation, discipline, punctuality even a single day. It is my secret. And if you are not good in anything, then no problem, just speak, just try. I know for 30 days, for 60 days it is going to be very hard, but after 60 days you have an experience of 60 days and you can be able to improve yourself, and you are able to know where is my mistake and what should I do to improve my mistakes. At 10 o'clock I go for then after 10 o'clock then I go for sleeping, and same routine I followed, I try to follow every day. Thank you for watching my day 4 of my English speaking challenge. I will come tomorrow with a new video, with new energy and with new topic. Thank you for watching once again. Have a great day. Bye bye.